Hello, how are you? Have you ever felt a dense atmosphere at home or at work? Yes, I know. Let's check in this video 10 simple spells to protect your home and work against evil energies. With these hints, you can clean the environment and make it light again. If you prefer reading instead of watching, in the description you'll find a link to the blog post. So let's see them. Number 1. Use spirals. The spirals are very easy and very practical, and they represent the goddess. The clockwise one attracts energy. The counterclockwise one banishes energies. So every time you feel the necessity, simply do it. You can do with your hands, you can do with your fingers, or even with your wand. Simple. Number 2. Use a glass with water and coarse salt. This spell is very common, maybe you already know it, but it's always good to remember. Take a glass, preferably made of crystal, fill with water and put coarse salt inside. Stir it counterclockwise, preferably using your wooden spoon, and place it at the entrance of your home or work. It will get a horrible appearance with time, maybe one day, maybe 1 week. And don't get surprised if it explodes, unfortunately it's normal. Number 3. Make a protective amulet. There are many different kinds of amulets you can create or you can buy, but a very simple one to protect your home is to find a node key, tie a red ribbon to it, and hang it behind your entrance door. It's simple. Number 4. Make a spell bottle. There are many different kinds of spell bottles you can create, but for this specific intention to protect your home environment or your work environment, you can find a dark and opaque jar. You fill it with sharp objects like needles and nails, seal it, and leave it in the middle of the room you want to protect. In the end, when you don't need it anymore, you bury it. Number 5. Befriend the Elementals. Make your home an elemental-friendly environment. Invite them to your home. For the earth elemental, you can create a small garden. It doesn't need to be a big garden, or even just one plant. For the water elemental, you can have a fountain, clean and working. For the wind element, you can have wind chimes, for example. And for the fire elements, you can have a fireplace, or if it's too hot in the place where you live, like here in Brazil, you can have candles. You can have a specific area to place your candles and make them burn safely. Number 6. Create an altar. If you haven't created one, please do it. This is your priority now. It will make a big difference, but keep it clean and organized. Number 7. Use the pin bell and sing mantras. The best way to cast a spell is by using your voice, and singing mantras is a perfect way. There are different mantras for different things, and you can sing ones to purify the environment, to clean the environment, or to protect yourself. So give it a try. And a pin bell is a Tibetan bell that is used to measure the energy. Every time you pin it, you will listen to its sound. If the place or the objects or anything is okay, you listen to a crystal clear sound. If there are some problems, you will listen to a trembling sound. So you can use it to find what's wrong with your home or what's wrong with your work. You can find a specific place by using it. Number 8. Let it go. Yes, this is a spell. Never get attached to things, because when you get too attached, you start to keeping things you don't need. You create many bad energies, and they don't go away alone. So you have to break it. Take objects, take everything you don't need or you think you need, and ask yourself, does it make me happy? If the answer is yes, you consider it. If the answer is not, you give it to someone else, or you dispose it. Don't get attached. Number 9. Burn incenses. This is the simplest spell ever. Everybody knows how to make it, but it's always good to remember. Burning incense can help to clean the environment. Burn your favorite ones, make it a daily habit. You'll notice the difference. Number 10. Use your magic broom. You don't need to fly it. Just use it to sweep the ground from inside out. Don't touch the ground, you're just sweeping the bad energies, not the dust. And do it frequently, once a week, for example. You will notice the big change. So this is it. These are the 10 simple spells to protect your home or work against negative energies. Which one is your favorite one? Tell me in the comments below. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel in case you haven't. Give a thumbs up and share the video. Thank you. See you.